Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to create reels on Facebook mobile application. Just below what's on your mind, you can see stories and reels option. Once you tap on reels, you can see a create reel option. Moreover, you can see a plus sign on the right upper corner of your screen besides search icon. Tapping on that will lead a menu like this to pop up on your screen. In that menu, you can see reel as a third option. Tap on it. Tapping on it will lead you to create a reel page, and you can see your camera roll videos there, and you can see the camera option in the bar below create a reel. You can tap on camera to create a reel directly, or you can tap on camera roll videos to create a reel from previous videos. So in this video, I'm going to tap on camera and create a video on the moment. In this page, you can see a record button on the bottom of your screen. Tapping on it will let you record the video of the moment. I'd like to inform you guys that you can only record a video of 1 minute and 30 seconds. After you're done with recording video, tap the record button again. After you're done with recording video, you'll be redirected to a page something like this. Then you can see various options on the right column of your screen, and you can even see the edit option in the left lower corner of your screen. To add any audio, you'll have to tap on the audio option, which is on the first option. Then a menu like this will pop up. You can add music and add voiceover as well by tapping on it respectively. Tap on add voiceover to add a voiceover to your video. Then you can see a record button on the bottom of your screen. Tap or hold to record audio over the video. After you're done with recording video, tap on done on the right upper corner of your screen. To add music, tap on add music and you'll be loaded to a page with various music. Select any music you want to add to your video. After you're done, tap on done. Moving on to the second option of noise reducer, tap on noise reducer. After that, a menu like this will pop up on your screen. Then you can slide the bar on your screen as shown by the cursor to reduce the noise as you want, and tap on text on the next option. You can add any text you want, and after you're done, tap on done on the right upper corner. Then you can even change the effects by tapping on the effects option, and you can slide to see various options of effects. After that, tap on stickers. Then a menu like this will pop up on your screen, and you can add any stickers you want to. To save the video, you can tap on save option in the last option of the right column of your screen. Finally, moving on to edit, tap on edit in the left lower corner of your screen. In this option, you can tap on add if you want to add any videos. You can add videos either by your camera or by your camera roll by tapping on gallery. If you've selected more than one videos, you can even reorder the video by tapping on reorder. You'll have to drag the video front or back to reorder the video. After that, moving on the third option, which is discard. Tapping on discard will delete your video. You can reshoot the video if you want to and change the speed by tapping on speed and selecting any speed you want. Moreover, to crop the video, tap on the crop option besides speed. You can even reverse the video by tapping on reverse option. Reversing your clip might take some time. To mirror your video, tap on the mirror option in the second last option. Tapping on that will mirror your video within few seconds. To split the video, tap on the split option. But remember, clip length must be at least 0.1 second long to split it. After you're done with everything, tap on done in the right upper corner of your screen. After you're done with it, you'll be loaded to a page something like this. Then you can see the next option in the right lower corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now on the describe your reel, you can write about your reel and add hashtags if you want to. You can choose who you want to see your reel. You can tap on the public option besides who can see this, and a menu like this will pop up where you can select who can see your reel. After that, tap on done. Then you can even tag people by tapping on tag people and tag your friends. After that, you can select your location, share it to Instagram if you're synced into it, and add topics if you want to. After that, tap on share now on the bottom of your screen. It might take a while for your reel to be uploaded on Facebook. You'll have to keep the Facebook open to finish it up. Then your reel will be successfully uploaded on your Facebook page. So that was it for the video, guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.